Hi, it's Nørgaard. So welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today I'm wearing my little blossom top from Bershka because I am doing a review of the new ColourPop and the Powerpuff Girls palette. So this is one of the newest collections on ColourPop's website. Of course, they come out with new collections like literally every week, I think. But I think this is the newest collaboration collection, and I loved the Powerpuff Girls growing up. My favorite was always Buttercup. I have watched that show like a million times, so when they came out with a collection, you know, with ColourPop, I was very interested. The collection at first hand did kind of disappoint me. I was disappointed a little bit in the palette because I wish the palette would have either been bigger or each girl would have an individual palette. And I did also wish that they would come out with some lip products. They came out with like 3 clear glosses. I think it could have been fun if, you know, they had tinted the glosses just a bit, so, you know, they would have been green and blue and pink. And that can still be really wearable. Like this color from Beauty Rush, I bought it in Victoria's Secret. I'm wearing that right now. And even though it looks, you know, like a shimmery blue in the packaging, when you put it on, it just looks like so good. I don't know, it's something about the blue shimmer that actually makes it look incredible on the lips. So I do wish they would have done something like that. So all in all, I was a little disappointed with the whole collection, so I only picked up the palette. And this is what the palette looks like. It's a 12 pan palette. The packaging is super duper cute. Even the inside, you know, you have your little hearts and your little stars and your little flowers, and all the colors have their names. It comes with a nice big mirror. You know, the whole packaging is just super cute. And this palette retails for $22 US, which I think is very reasonable. You know, ColourPop is a more affordable brand. So yeah, this is the eye look I'm doing today. I'm going to show you how I did this eye look, and I'm also going to review the palette in detail. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And now without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is what the palette looks like in the packaging. The outer packaging is very cute with the cutout and the heart and all the colors and all the holographic detailing. And as you can see, even the inside of the box is cute. So if you're into this kind of packaging ordeal, then I think you would really like it. Personally, I don't keep packaging, so this is just going to go in the trash. But the palette itself is also really cute. Again, we have the beautiful colors, the Powerpuff Girls, and all the holographic detailing. And this is the back. And then it comes with a nice big mirror. And these are the 12 eyeshadows. So personally, I would have liked to have seen probably individual palettes, one for each girl. I think it was kind of strange how ColourPop came out with the Hello Kitty Tropical Collection, which had, I think, 4 or 5 different little quads. Then you have something like this collection where you only get one big palette. But even so, I do think this is cute. You know, it has the blue, the green and the pink, so I think it's fine. And the packaging is stunning. I love the holographic detail, and I love the kind of shiny look of the Powerpuff Girls and the writing. And I think the bag is also really cute. As you can see, I'm trying to incorporate the 3 different colors in my eye look. So we have the blue and the green on the top and the pink on the bottom. So I'm going to prime with the P.Louise eyeshadow base. This one is in the color number 1, and I'm just going to blend that out with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. So to start out, I'm going to use the color Professor Utonium, and I'm going to apply this on the brow bone. This is a nice, like, nudie, shimmery color with a lot of gold to it. Then I'm going in with the color Chemical X, and this one is really pretty, and it has a great texture. It doesn't have fallout, and it's just really easy to work with. And as you can see, it also has a nice amount of pigment. You do need to build it up slightly to get it to full intensity, but it's a really good color, I think. I'm going to take the matte blue called Rowdy Rough Boys, and this is going in the outer corner out here. And as you can see, this one also has a ton of pigment, and I'm bringing it up to create like that dramatic outer V. This is a great color and it barely has any fallout. It's really good. Then I take the same color on a small blending brush and I start bringing this color inwards into the crease just above the green color. And I'm not doing too much blending right now. I just want a little line of blue right in here. Then I'm going to take the matte green called Silicone. And this is going to be our transitioning color. So I'm applying it on the border of the blue up top. And I'm going all the way in. And it's now that I go back in with more blue and start blending out the blue. And I also blend out the shimmery green on the eyelid. And then to blend between the line right here, I'm going to take a little bit more of the shimmery green and just start overlapping the line. And then I do the same with the blue color. But you have to be careful with the blue because the blue is the more powerful color of the two. So if you apply too much blue, then you can't really take it back. So then I'm going to take the blue pressed glitter over here called Super Friends. And I'm going to just dab that on just down here in the outer corner. I'm not bringing it up into the crease and I'm not really bringing it onto the green. And then I go in with a bit more on my finger and just kind of stamp it all in. Then I'm going to use the kind of golden pressed glitter called Townsville. And this I'm pressing on top of the green. Then I'm going to take the old gold color called the Mayor. And I'm going to take that in this little inner portion that I have left and just blend it onto the green. And then I'm going to take it around the tear duct. And on top of that, right on the tear duct, I'm going to apply the brow bone highlight again, the Professor Utonium. It's just a little bit brighter. And I'm going back with my green eyeshadow brush and just blending this line. Now I'm going to use the hot pink called the Fashionistas. And this is a matte color and it's pretty pigmented. Like I'm not applying it on a base down here and it's still showing up. So I like this color. So now I'm going to apply my Paradise liner from Essence right in the waterline. And I'm going to apply some mascara and a pair of falsies and I'll be right back. So I got done with my liner and my lashes and this is the finished look. And I actually really like the look. It's fun to do something colorful and bold. It's very tropical to me actually, especially the top with the blue and the green. And I must say I'm pretty impressed with this palette. I used 8 colors in this 12 pan palette and I liked all of them. I was especially impressed by the matte blue, the Rowdy Rough Boys shade. That one is brilliant. But overall I liked all the shades I used. The mattes were great and the shimmers were great. The pressed glitters I also liked, especially the blue pressed glitter. So I actually like this palette more than I thought I would. And this palette retails for $22 and I did pay shipping and I did also pay custom taxes on top of that. And I'm pleased. I would say it's definitely worth it. Especially of course if you like the Powerpuff Girls, which I do. And also just if you like the color scheme, I think you would really like this palette. And you could definitely also do, you know, a more neutral look. You do have your neutral matte up here. And you could also use this kind of neutral matte color over here. So you could totally do a neutral look and you could do a neutral look with a pop of color. Or you could do something super bright like this. But anyway, let me know down below what you thought of this review and this tutorial. And also if you have tried anything from the ColourPop and the Powerpuff Girls collaboration. What did you think of it? And that is all, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you did enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, so take care and bye bye.